Good morning, everyone. Zane here, and today we'll show you how to delete your Klarna account. First, navigate to Klarna website, sign in into your account, and once you sign in, here on the top right side, you can see this cogwheel icon. It will navigate you through the settings. Simply click on it. Now here you can see all of your settings. Now scroll down to the bottom till you get privacy and security. Hit the privacy text. And now it will redirect you to this page. Click on request for personal data. Then it will redirect you to this page. You should scroll down to the bottom till you get to this text, my privacy request. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will show you here three options. Choose the one on the top, exercise your right to deletion of your personal data and terminate your relationship with Klarna. Now it will redirect you to another page. You should scroll down a little bit till you get here to this section. Here, all the fields marked with an star are required. So you will have to enter your first name, last name, the email address used to place orders. Some other options are optional, like the additional email address used to place orders. Once you're all done, scroll down to the bottom and here you can get submit. Just add your date of birth and click on submit. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.